How to fix Ome TV app camera not working on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Ome TV app camera not working on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, look for Ome TV in the list of apps. Then tap on it. Check if the camera toggle is enabled. If it's off, turn it on. Now go back to the main settings screen. Once you are there, here tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down a little, tap on Camera and make sure Ome TV is allowed access here too. Then tap on Microphone under Privacy and Security and confirm that Ome TV has microphone access as well. After that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to fully close the Ome TV app. Reopen the app and check if your camera is working now. If it still doesn't work, go back to Settings. Tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Find and tap on Ome TV. Then choose Offload App. Once done, reinstall the app from the App Store. That's it. Your camera should now be working smoothly on iPhone.